Hey everyone, welcome to episode 4 of Learning Salesforce from Scratch. In this series, we are going to learn Salesforce completely from scratch, step by step in the simplest and the most practical way possible. In this video, let's talk about something super interesting, the Trailhead playground. So before we start, hit that subscribe button to start your Salesforce journey. Now, let's find out what's a Trailhead playground. A Trailhead playground is your personal Salesforce environment that is a free space to experiment, build apps, and complete hands-on challenges. Think of it like your practice lab where you can safely try anything without affecting a real company's data. Or think of it like your cricket playground where you actually practice the game but there's no effect on the actual game. So now let's create our first Trailhead playground together. So I'm navigating to this module which is Salesforce Platform Basics, and inside this module I'm going into this unit which is Unlock Business Success with Salesforce Data Platform. And in this unit you have a hands-on challenge where you can launch your own playground. So this is where you can create your own playground. Okay, so here you have 3 dots, and if I click on it, and you have some options called as create playground, connect org, and manage orgs. So first I'm going to create a new playground here. Now I need to give a name for this playground. Let's say I'll give Salesforce Platform Basics playground. So if I click on create, it will start creating. Now it usually takes a few seconds to set up, and once done you'll see a new window with Salesforce open. Let's wait for that. So your new playground is created. So to open this new playground, I'll have to click on launch. So when I click on launch, it will open me the new window which is your newly created playground. Okay, so you have successfully created your Trailhead account and your very first playground. So you can have multiple playgrounds here for different modules or projects. To view them, you can just click on your profile and you can see your hands-on orgs here. So when you click on that, you can see all your available orgs. Okay, and you can also rename or delete them anytime. Okay, also you can connect or disconnect your orgs anytime. So in the next video, we'll explore the Salesforce interface in more detail. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.